In this video, I'll show you how to easily add a clickable link to your Facebook post. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and create a post by tapping on what's on your mind. Enter your text like hello and then paste your URL in the next field. But before that, we need to copy your URL to the clipboard. To do this, go to Safari or any browser, find the website, tap on the address bar and hit copy. The URL is now copied to the clipboard. Return to Facebook and paste the URL by tapping in the text field until the paste option appears. Once pasted, a preview of URL will be created. After the preview appears, you can remove the link from the text field. The preview will remain clickable. To remove the link, select it and delete it. Now share your post by hitting next and then share. Once shared, go to your Facebook profile to see the post. You will see the text and the clickable link preview. You can tap on the preview to follow the URL. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.